What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at the Yap Ads affiliate network. So Yap Ads is a network located in Amsterdam. They're one of the premium partners for the mastermind. I don't have any social referral for them, but I just want to give them at least a quick shout out because you cannot find them that often online, but they have a very big presence in the CPA marketing world. Before I was looking for premium partners for the mastermind. I've never heard of them before, but now I've been looking in the dashboard. I've been talking to them for a couple of months and they have tons of experience, tons of different offers available, and also very interesting for you guys. So let's have a quick look. So the benefits from Yap is they have different business models, blah, 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 custom payment frequencies. So they can basically on how much money you make, you can get like custom payouts, mobile content, app install, cost per install, desktop campaigns, Nutra, trial, casino, and lead gen, our favorite, right? So basically it works like any other network. You apply by clicking on sign up and then you get an account approved and you log in. Well, the fun thing about Yap Ads is that there's actually a custom dashboard. So they don't use a third-party software. This is actually their own software. And you can see you have the settings in the top. You can have a nice overview of all your invoices. Then there are the logs, the reports, the stats, the campaigns, and the offers. Here is basically your daily stats overview. As I'm not running anything with Yap for now, I want to go to offers and give you an idea of what they have. Because as you can see, they have 5,163 offers. And let's just have a look at what is available. As I'm going to be running insurance quite soon, I want to have a look at their insurance campaigns. So let's see, everything loads quite quick. This is apps for Android, casino, binary, casino. Well, that's what I expected, right? Tons of casino. Credit card subscription. So these are soccer stadium, football stadium, interesting. Ebooks, Lips Media, Kelp Media. All right, so these are the sweepstakes. Oh, these are IVRs. A lot of IVRs, and this is like the single opt-in lead gen. Yeah, you will also see a lot of different lead gen. So you can see basically I asked them to approve me for almost all the sweepstakes and they did. So everything you see here, create campaign, this means that I'm approved for, which is more than half of all the sweepstakes or maybe even 80%. Just to have a look, what I noticed with Yap is that the relative payouts are quite high. So that's obviously good. They take a smaller cut out of the payout. Very competitive payouts. And obviously as we're always looking for earnings per click, right? But if you've never run anything with them, then I would say payout is the next best thing you can look at. So this is app installs. Mobile content. Maybe they only have like a small section. Because I've never really browsed this, to be honest. I only looked at the sweepstakes for the mastermind, right? To see if they have enough for all the students. If you have like over 150 students, you need to have at least quite a bit of volume regarding the offers, of course. But this is all mobile content. So you can see they have an insane amount of like 1-click, 2-click, downloadables, cash on delivery. I just saw this is some test offers, some trials again. Trials. Would be funny if I'm looking for insurance and it's not even in this dashboard. They may be hidden. Trial. Because this is all sports and stuff and like popcorn video on demand, streaming websites. It's also pretty cool, but not exactly what I'm looking for. Box of household products. Samsung. These are like the credit card submits. Again. I'm at page 50 already. I don't think we're going to make it to insurance, but at least you had a good look on everything they have to offer. So they have private approval, sweepstake, sweep supreme. These are also I think credit card submits if you look at the trials. So you can select the country. So let's do United States. And then for the vertical, type I, it's loading. from insurance. As you can see, you just have to wait, it loads again. All right, toolbar installs, that's what it comes up with. So perhaps it doesn't have insurance available right here in the dashboard, but let's go with lead gen then. Because before I typed in sweepstakes, the first time I was in this platform and nothing showed up, but you have to type in lead gen, you see. So, but you can see, right, there's a shit ton of different ones. Anything from like single opt-in, if you type in single opt, maybe on the offer, SOI. I mean, with over 5,000 different offers, you cannot really go wrong with what you're trying to promote. And then when you go to the campaigns, one thing I really want to point out, which is pretty cool. Let me just open this one. So this is one of the offers. So this is what it looks like. If you open an offer, it has the campaign ID, mobile and desktop. So this is the advertiser. Win electronic city scooter, €2,500, single opt-in, Germany, Switzerland, Austria. Then the preview link. We can go to the offer to have a look what it looks like. Here. So this is what it looks like. Basic, just win like an electronic bike. Yeah, it should be here as well. And then no advertising website, hate speech, blah, 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 all the regular stuff, right? No wordings like you've won. 2 or 3 days to validate the leads, which is all normal. WhatsApp and SMS traffic are not allowed, all fine. With a 2.9, almost $3 payouts, pretty competitive, pretty good. But what I wanted to show you is this. So what Yap Ads has built in the dashboard is that some of the offers they have in their dashboard, and you should ask your affiliate manager, this is like a huge pro, right? Huge. And that's only possible because they have created their own platform, is that they can host Facebook pixels in the tracking link. So basically, if the advertiser is supporting it, so if the advertiser is Yap Ads itself, which they have like in-house offers, then it would be for sure possible. But there's also tons of advertisers on Yap that allow you to put the Facebook pixel like either in the iframe or make it Facebook compatible, which obviously is huge. If you run sweepstakes and you can run complete registrations instead of landing page views, your cost per acquisition when running volume will go down quite a bit because the pixel can optimize way better. And that was my sole interest when I heard how they're developing it, how they're moving forward. I've made tons of videos about affiliate networks going bankrupt because they're not able to adapt to change, right? And this is one of the networks that really has that clear vision of pushing through on the changes that are happening. And that's why I really like them. Obviously, if everything is custom, I like that as well. So their tracking is custom, their overviews are custom, the network build out is all custom. If you're interested in Yap Ads, I do not have an affiliate link, as I said before, www.yapads.com. And you can sign up. An affiliate manager will reach out to you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about Yap Ads, leave them in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.